Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful kinky straight wig. If you want to know more details about this unit, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is WowAfrican. They sent me this 18-inch HD frontal wig. This is in a 13x6 parting space. As you guys can see, it is definitely very full. It is so beautiful, you guys. Before we get into this install today, I just wanted to mention how beautifully constructed this wig is. You'll notice in the unboxing portion that the lace on this wig is constructed so well. It's detailed. It has 2 points where you can see that it's been like cinched in. It contours the natural shape of the head. That will ensure that the wig will fit better and it won't look bulky. So that's what those 2 spots are for. As you guys can see, today's install is going to be a no ball cap method install. This is fresh out the box. This is a very beginner friendly look because we did not do very much, if at all anything. I'm just putting the wig on out of the box and I'm just getting a feel for how it's fitting my head, how it's fitting my face. It is a nice widow's peak hairline. It does help to make the wig look more natural sometimes, but for me personally, I don't care for this widow's peak, so I usually always remove that. It kind of just looks weird on me, so yeah, I mean, it's just personal taste, you know, do what you gotta do. It's okay to cut into that hair if you have to. Are we still using lace glue on our scalp and hairline in 2022? Let me know in the comment section because I personally don't like using glue. I need my skin to look all one tone and not be scarred and, you know, just painful and looking like I need to go to the ER. And like, no, we're not trying to do that. Definitely recommend getting the Ebin spray and using that. It really works well for securing your lace. Like, it will start to lift on the top, like towards the front of the lace in a few days, but you can just top it off. You can even add some water and just like lay it down, it'll stick again. I also like using it on my baby hairs as well. Like, you can use it for anything, like, and everything. Definitely recommend. So right now we're gonna pull out the baby hairs and start working on those with the Ebin spray. I am gonna be using a mixture of that spray with some black gel, and together they're gonna, you know, really lay those edges. Be careful because once you spray the Ebin spray on your edges, it dries so fast, you guys. Like, you have to work quickly because as soon as you put it on, good luck moving it. If you mess it up, yeah, it's not gonna move. So be careful when you're using it if you are using it to secure your edges. But yeah, I definitely recommend. It doesn't really leave it like shiny or anything like that. It just looks pretty natural. It does kind of look hard, so sometimes, you know, if you don't want it to look that way, once you do secure it, go over it with a comb and kind of disturb that like layage that you did. Layage, do you guys like that? And then it just lifts up the hair so it doesn't look so hard and like pastes down. That's another tip, but it'll still hold the form. So I recommend doing that if you don't like that like hard, like paste down look. But to be honest, it looks pretty good and it'll stay on there all day, all night if you want it to. When you're purchasing this wig, there's a few options that I wanted to go over with you guys. You can buy the version that I have that comes with it pre-bleached, or you can buy it without the knots bleach. You can buy it, I think, pre-plucked or not as well. So there are a few options for you guys there on the website. You should definitely check out the link. I am loving the hairline on this and the density. It's so full. I really need to go in each section and really hot comb and lay her down because my ultimate goal is to have it looking like I just like relaxed my natural hair and I just just have hair for days, you know, like where we are fooling people. That's the look that I'm going for. So yeah, really go in each section, take big enough sections, but still leave them small enough that, you know, your hot comb can really penetrate through that hair and lay her down flat, so she's looking very, very like I just got out of the salon look. That's what we're going for. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this, and now we're gonna do a few styles. I hope you guys enjoy, and if I have something else to say, I'll come back, but if not, enjoy the rest of the video.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, with me, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to your clean and proper.
This is in the straight kinky texture, and it is gorgeous. I love this unit so much. You can do so many styles with this wig, and it's just so natural looking. The lace is just giving beautiful. It comes pre-bleached, it comes pre-plucked. You don't have to do anything for this unit because I didn't do anything for this install. All I did was put it on my head and, you know, style the baby hairs. It's very versatile. You can do so many different styles. Put it in a ponytail. You can wear it up. You can wear it in a bun. You can wear it half up, half down. Possibilities are endless with this unit. I love it so much. I think it's so pretty. We really wanted to show you how deep that parting space is. That just looks so natural. Now, the wig does curl as well, so if you want to curl this hair, it can curl, and it can also, you know, get pretty flat considering that it's like a kinky texture. So if you want to curl this unit, you can definitely do that. It just takes a little bit longer, so you're gonna have to leave the hair on the curling iron or curling wand for a little bit longer, but she definitely curls, and look how beautiful that curl is, you guys. You can wear her curly, you can wear her straight. You have tons of options. You do little space buns. You can do so many different styles. It's like just so cute. Parting space alone makes it so easy to wear a bunch of different styles because like literally there's lace, it seems like everywhere. It almost seems like it's a full lace wig because pretty much wherever you pull the hair, you can part it and you can wear it like that. And I really like that about this unit. Like, this is giving me like 2000s. I just think it's so cute. Oh my God, you guys. You want to make them into little buns, you can definitely do that. So yeah, the lace on this unit is definitely giving scalp. You don't need to wear a ball cap to have it looking really good. All I did was just add some powder to the hairline, to the part, because I wanted it to look more like I had a ball cap underneath. Now it definitely doesn't need it because it is a really beautiful HD lace. With this wig, what I really like about it is it's such a full density wig, and wherever you part it, wherever you style it, it just looks so good, and there's no shortage of hair. So I think it definitely looks really good like up because there's a lot of hair on the unit already. Such a deep parting space. I just love it so much. You guys, look at it up close. Beautiful. It's giving scalp. It's giving, oh my goodness, that's her hair. And You can't tell me that it's not. Oh my god, you guys, it's so cute. I definitely recommend you guys checking them out. The hair is so soft. It can curl, it can be straightened, it can go up in a ponytail. You can do half up, half down. You can wear it down the middle. You can do so many styles to this unit, and it is just so flattering. I'm at loss for words now. I really love this wig, as if you guys couldn't tell already. You guys should check it out. I'm gonna leave all the information to WowAfrican in the description box if you want to check them out. I would recommend this wig for sure. They are a pretty popular wig company, and I'm sure you guys have heard of them. But if you guys were thinking about, you know, splurging and, you know, investing in a really good wig from them, this would be one that I would definitely recommend hands down. It is so beautiful. It is so healthy. Look how nice and shiny it is. Like, it's just a beautiful wig, super soft, no bad smell, comes ready to wear. You are getting quality when you buy a wig like this, so definitely check them out. That is my final thoughts. I would say this wig is definitely Kaviar Kez approved. It's amazing. I love it so much. Before you go, don't forget to leave a comment on your thoughts on this install. Did I slay all the styles? Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for all my hard work. I am like dying of heat in here in my studio, but it was well worth it. This wig is so cute. If you made it this far into the video, I really do appreciate it, and you are the MVP of the day. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye for now.